Everything I got at the grocery stores today. I'm gonna show you guys every item I bought. Okay, I'm first gonna start with everything I got at Trader Joe's. So starting off with meat, I picked up some chicken thighs today. These are always really good to marinate with and eat with like greens, with vegetables, with rice. And then I picked up this beef New York strip steak. I usually get New York strip steak. Honestly, I haven't experimented with steaks too much, but I know I love this one. This one is always really good to have for dinners. And I got 2 pounds of ground beef. I love to make taco bowls and burgers with ground beef. They're just super filling and they're very high in protein too, so I'll definitely be cooking with these throughout this week. I got some bacon as well. This one is the Black Forest bacon. The flavor on this is so good. Like, this is definitely the best bacon I have ever had. So I love to add this to my breakfast sandwiches. I got some eggs today. I got the large brown eggs from Trader Joe's. I usually just go for like large white ones. They were out today, so I ended up just getting these ones. I got 2 things of rice. I got some jasmine rice and some brown rice, just like to mix it up so it doesn't get too boring. These are super convenient. You just put them in the microwave for 3 minutes. I definitely want to get a rice cooker at some point, but for now, these are just the way to go for me. Next item I got is this mandarin orange chicken. This stuff is so good. Some days I'm just really exhausted. I just need to throw something like in the air fryer really quick. So these are so convenient. Almost 100 grams of protein. So if you're super hungry and you can down this whole bag, it's like really good protein. I am a sparkling water addict. So I love the black cherry vanilla sparkling water from Trader Joe's. This one I've had before, which is super good. I got a new one today. This is the winter sangria. So I was like, gotta switch it up a little bit. And then I got some freshly squeezed orange juice. This has just such good vitamins, and sometimes if I want a little extra sweetness, I'll add this in with my sparkling water. It almost creates like a non-alcoholic mimosa, which is super good. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. I usually put this on my burgers that I make. I also love the little Baby Bell cheeses. These are just so quick and easy. Now into the produce. I got some broccoli here. Broccoli has always been a staple. Literally every time I go grocery shopping, I'm always getting broccoli. It's just so good, like roasted, steamed. I picked up 2 avocados. Super easy to add in with your meals. I picked up 1 onion. I love onions. Adding them in with like stir fries or with bowls, just the flavor is like really good. I got 2 sweet potatoes. Sweet potato is like super filling, and I love to pair it with my protein. So definitely be cooking with these this week. I got 2 red peppers. Red peppers are another one of my favorite vegetables. I just got 1 apple. I always love to eat like Honeycrisp apples with like peanut butter, or just like, it's just a quick, easy grab and go kind of food. So some strawberries. I love strawberries. Definitely my favorite fruit. Some pineapple. I love how sweet pineapple is. It's just like so refreshing. I got some blackberries. Blackberries are another one of my favorite fruits. It's hard for me to not eat the whole thing in one sitting. I got some romaine lettuce, which is good to add on with either like a burger or in a bowl or something. Got some bananas too. I have a few bananas already, so I only needed like 3 little ones. We got some everything bagels, which are my all-time favorite bagels. They're just so flavorful. So I'll make like avocado toast, or usually I'll eat a bagel in the mornings with egg. I got some garden vegetable soup. This is always really good to have on hand as another kind of lazy meal. Sometimes I'll just meal prep some ground beef or just some chicken, and then I'll just heat this up in the microwave and add the chicken or the ground beef or even some rice in with it. It's just an easy way to kind of have like a base for your protein. And then I picked up a few things from Target as well. I got these Quest chips, loaded taco flavor. So Quest chips are like protein chips. It's a really good way to get some protein in. I got some of the Oikos yogurt. This is another good protein. This has 20 grams of protein in these. This Kodiak protein pancakes, another protein item. These are really good for breakfast, or honestly, sometimes I make pancakes for dinner. Now let's get started on on meal prepping.
Alright, so here's the cooking portion of the video. We'll be first making my egg bagel sandwiches, which you'll need eggs, bacon, everything bagels, spinach, and your choice of seasoning. You can definitely do whatever kind of bagels you like. I just prefer these. I first start out by slicing 4 bagels, and then I will be frying up 12 eggs.
Oh my god.
Just because it is a lot of eggs, I do it in 2 portions. So I try to do about half and half, and I'll use some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then while that is starting to cook, I'll throw the bacon in the air fryer. I find that this is a lot less messy than doing it on the pan. So I did 2 pieces of bacon and cut it in half. And now after the egg is cooked a little bit, I will cut that in half and then kind of flip it into its own little piece. So now I'm going to assemble the sandwiches. So I'll take each half and place it on one of the bagels. And then I'll add the bacon, just 1 slice for each. And then just to get some greens in the morning, I'll add a little bit of spinach on there. And then I will wrap it in tin foil, and here we go, 4 bagels. All right, next up, we're making taco bowls. For this, you'll need ground beef, red pepper, onion, lettuce, and your choice of seasoning. So I first start by prepping the vegetables. We'll be cutting up the red peppers. Next, the yellow onion. I love this combo of red pepper and onions. I use it for so many things. It just adds so much flavor and good texture. So I will put this in the pan first just to get it a little bit sauteed before I add in my ground beef. And then I'll kind of mash it up, let everything simmer, and add my seasonings, which is salt, pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. Once that's kind of cooked to my liking, I will set that aside and chop up my lettuce. So I like to have this in a separate container just to add in with each portion. And then I will add a base of rice and put the taco ingredients on top. So this creates 2 servings, and it's super yummy and filling. All right, and lastly, I'll be making burgers and veggies. So for this, you'll need ground beef, cheese slices, sweet potato, broccoli, and your choice of seasoning. I start out by chopping up all the broccoli and throwing that in the air fryer with some olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and mix that all up. And then once that is all nice and roasted, I'll take that out and start cutting up the sweet potato, which I always have a really hard time with, so don't judge my chopping. And then I'll kind of do the same, olive oil, salt, and garlic powder. I also added pepper with this as well. And then once the veggies are done, I will put those in the containers. This will be 2 servings. And then I will fry up the patties. I put salt, garlic powder, and pepper on those. And then once those are cooked to my liking, I will add the cheese on top for the last 2 minutes. Once it's melted a bit, I will plate it in the bowls. And here we have our 2 servings for the week.
All right, and lastly, I'll be making burgers and veggies. So for this, you'll need ground beef, cheese slices, sweet potato, broccoli, and your choice of seasoning. I start out by chopping up all the broccoli and throwing that in the air fryer with some olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and mix that all up. And then Alright, I'm finally home from work. Looking in the fridge, I'm not really sure what I'm craving for tonight. Okay, I'm gonna do my New York strip steak on the stove. And I'm gonna do it with some brown rice as well. I'm not super hungry, honestly, so I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'll probably do like half or a third of this bag, and then I'm gonna season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Got my steak and rice. I'm so excited to eat. I'm just gonna enjoy this while I play some video games with my friends. Do you wanna say hi?
We're gonna game it up.
Good morning, it's Tuesday. So I was running a little bit late to work today, so I brought my breakfast and my lunch with me, so I will be eating that both here. Had like such a long day at work and I'm feeling so exhausted. I do not feel like cooking tonight, so I think I'm gonna go with the Trader Joe's Mandarin chicken. I usually make like 3/4 of the bag. I think I'm gonna eat this with just rice and some spinach. This is like honestly a lifesaver for these nights when I'm just like really not feeling like cooking. The goal of this video was to show what I cook every day for a week, but today I didn't even eat any lunch. After breakfast, I rushed to some appointments today, and I was out Christmas shopping and just doing a lot of holiday things today, so I need to get into this food right now. Finally home from work. I got my hair done after the work day, so I'm feeling nice and fresh. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely feeling like a breakfast for dinner type of night. I'm gonna go with the Kodiak protein pancakes with some bananas and peanut butter. Let's get started on making that. It's finally Friday. I'm so hyped, you guys. It's been such a good week, but also very exhausting. I just went to the gym after work and I'm planning to just stay in tonight. I have some plans this weekend, so just gonna end off the work week with a really nice meal. One of my favorites, which is just super simple, but just chicken and veggie stir fry is always so good. I have some chicken that's been marinating. I have this in like a peanut Thai sauce. Probably put it over like rice, so yes, let's get cooking. Alright, you guys, so I got my chicken, we have some rice, some spinach, some broccoli, and then I did cut up an apple too, and I'm gonna have that with some peanut butter. I'm so excited to eat, so I'm gonna enjoy this now. To the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to post some more videos soon. Bye!